In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Invoice Ninja. Even though the title says install, there's actually no software to download for the hosted version. Invoice Ninja runs in your browser, so we're going to set it up and get you to the dashboard quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari will work fine. A quick heads up before we continue. You can't install Invoice Ninja as a Chrome app or extension. Instead, you'll access it directly through its website, which keeps everything up to date without you having to manage installations. Next, go to the official Invoice Ninja website. If you don't have it bookmarked, simply type the name into your address bar and select the official result. On the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button and give it a click. You'll be asked to create an account using your email. Enter a work-friendly email address and choose a strong, unique password. Review the terms, complete any quick checks on the page, and submit the form. Keep your login details in a secure place. Now, head to your email inbox to verify your address. Open the message from Invoice Ninja and click the verification link. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Verification confirms you own the email and helps secure your account. After your email is verified, return to the website and log in with your new credentials. The first time you sign in, you'll be prompted to set up your company details. Fill in your company name, address, and any other requested business information. Choose your default currency and time zone, and if available, upload your company logo so your invoices look professional. Take a moment to double-check spellings and defaults, since these flow through to every document you create. When you save those settings, you'll land on the Invoice Ninja dashboard. From here, you can start creating invoices, adding clients and products, and tracking payments. Explore the menus to see where invoices, quotes, and settings live. A helpful tip is to bookmark the site and stay signed in on trusted devices so you can jump back in quickly. You'll also see shortcuts and a snapshot of recent activity, so it's easy to pick up where you left off. If you need to fix company details later, open Settings to update them. On shared computers, remember to log out. And that's it. You've set up Invoice Ninja through the website, no Chrome installation required, and you're ready to manage your billing from the dashboard.